guys, I'm Teeny. Wow, what the hell is this? I don't know. What is this? A light!
Teeny, shut the fuck up. Why are you looking like that? Don't worry, Teeny. Now we're going inside. No. Yes, Teeny, we're going inside. Oh, come on, Teeny. You spill over the car in here. I don't feel better so much, Jonathan. This scary shit on me has stopped. Because in there, what are you gonna do? We're going inside. Uh-oh, I don't want to go inside. Teeny, you're gonna have to.
No, I don't want to go inside, Jonathan.
You have to, Teeny. You have to go inside to clean all the car and the tires from the car, okay, Teeny?
Okay, fine, Jonathan. Let's go inside. Let's see what's happened.
What the fuck is this? Oh my God! Teeny, shut up! Oh my God! Teeny, are you okay?
Yes.
I'm fine. Now it's good. It's good now?
Yes, I don't like the rain, okay? It's very scary, the water from the rain and the water.
Yes, I hear you, Teeny. It does scare us. But it's nothing to be scared of. Because it's pushing the water down. Do you see? It's pushing. And then the man is gonna clean the car. I'll show you the next part. Bye, Teeny.
Bye-bye!